front of me is TCL 605, and today I would like to show you how you can delete a password from Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down. Now tap on Accounts. Select Open under Google and click on Google Password Manager. Finally, hit any password you wish to get rid of. Enter your screen lock and click on Delete button. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!